The Razer Phone 2 was released nearly 7 years ago. While it's starting to show its age in terms of performance, its design was way ahead of its time, and even today, it still stands out in a crowd. Unfortunately, the Razer Phone 2 has one common issue: charging problems. So today, we're going to replace its charging port module and give this beast a second life. The back cover is made of glass, so proper heating is key. We're using magic self-heating pads to warm the back up to around 60 degrees Celsius. This back cover has almost no gap around the edges, super tight. Even ultra-thin pry tools can't slide in initially. So we start with a suction cup to lift a corner and then insert a pick, followed by a few drops of isopropyl alcohol. Once a small gap opens up, we switch to plastic cards to avoid scratching the glass with metal tools. Keep sliding while adding alcohol. It acts like a lubricant and makes the removal much smoother. Don't be stingy with the alcohol, it makes a huge difference. Finally, cut through any remaining adhesive, and the back comes off cleanly. The internal layout is beautifully organized, very satisfying for those of us with a bit of OCD. There are two types of screws holding the internal covers, with different lengths. To avoid confusion, we place each screw in its corresponding position on a magnetic pad, matching the phone's internal layout. That way, we can put them back exactly where they came from. Start by removing the top cover. Be careful, there's an lead ribbon cable underneath. Disconnect it gently. Next, unplug the wireless charging coil. Now we can lift the battery along with the entire midframe. It's modular, which is a breath of fresh air compared to the trend of gluing everything down these days. The charging port daughter board is secured with 3 screws. Remove those, then unplug the signal flex cable. The port assembly lifts out easily. It's connected to the main board via a flex cable, which is secured by another 2 screws to the housing. These screws often come loose over time, and each time you plug the cable in, the strain can cause the flex cable to tear. This is why the charging port ribbon is such a common failure point. Time to install the new charging port. Compared to disassembly, reassembly is a breeze. Everything fits back snugly. With all components back in place, we do a quick test before sealing things up. Power on, plug in, and confirm charging and other functions are working as they should. Now we reinstall the screws, using our layout as a guide to make sure each one goes in the right spot. As for the back cover, we're reusing the original adhesive, which still has some tack left. We also apply a small amount of B7000 around the frame to ensure a strong bond. Press the cover into place and wipe off any excess glue. And that's it, our Razer Phone 2 is back in action with a brand new charging port. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Cheers!